If you're struggling to get clients and you're tired of waiting for people to come to you, this might be the most important video you watch. Hi, I'm Jason. In the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to use Lemlist to reach out to potential clients directly and actually get replies. And the best part is you don't need an audience, ads, or experience to start. Most beginners try to get clients the hard way, posting content and hoping someone notices. But the fastest way to get clients is actually simple. Go directly to them. That's what cold email is, and Lemlist makes it very scalable. To get clients using Lemlist, you only need 3 things: a service or offer, a list of people who need it, and a simple message. That's it. No complicated funnels. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description, which you can use to sign up for completely free and follow along. So let's dive in. Once on Lemlist homepage, you're just going to tap on Start a 14-day free trial. From there, you can create your account by simply inputting your email address. After you have done that, you will be redirected to your homepage. Once on the Lemlist dashboard, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on your profile icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Settings. After selecting Settings, you're going to select Sending Settings. From here, you're going to tap on Connect Email. And you're just going to enter in your email address. You can connect up to 5 emails using Lemlist. After you have connected your email, the next thing I would recommend you do is connect your LinkedIn account. To connect the LinkedIn account, you're going to tap here and you're going to see the option to add the Lemlist Chrome extension. You're just going to tap right there and it will redirect you to the Chrome store and you're going to tap on Add. Once you have added the Lemlist Chrome extension, from now on, whenever you go onto LinkedIn, you're going to see a Lemlist icon from the right hand menu option right here. You can simply tap on it and you'll be able to do quick searches and you'll be able to add different profiles to your Lemlist campaign. So you can tap right there or you can simply build up a contact list. So you have numerous options when it comes onto Lemlist. You can also add people from Google or so on. So you have different options that you can choose from depending on the type of offer that you want. And when it comes onto Lemlist, they also offer a people database that you can use by going over to the left-hand menu option to find your target audience. But before finding your target audience, a quick question that I want to ask is, have you already choose your offer? For example, will you be offering website design, social media management, video editing, copywriting, or lead generation? Those are some beginner-friendly examples that you can think about. Once you have thought about them, you will now be able to zone down on your ideal client. After you have chosen your ideal client, for example, let's say you're offering web design, you can search for small business owners or startup founders. You can either use the LinkedIn search or we could simply tap on people database right here. After selecting people database, from here you have different filters that you can choose from, as you can see right here. So you could, for example, put in a particular company name that you would like to target. You can also put in a company industry. So you can tap right there and you have different industries that you can choose from. As you can see right here, you have numerous filters that you can choose from when it comes onto Lemlist. So this is an option that I would recommend you explore if you would like to search for different clients. After you have found your clients, what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on campaigns. Once you have selected campaigns, you're going to tap on create campaign. After selecting create campaign, you have 3 options. You can either start with templates, create with AI, or you can choose to create manually. For this example, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a campaign manually. So you're going to tap on create manually. Then you're just going to tap on email, or if it is a case that you would like to do a mixture of email and LinkedIn outreach, you can also do that. By selecting email, once someone signs up or once you start your outreach, better yet, this will be the email that will be sent first. So you can simply tap right here, choose the email address that you would like to send it from. Then you're going to put in the content. So you can write out your content right here. So you can write a client getting email. This is where most people tend to fail as they try to sound professional instead of human. I Simple message that works is, for example, hey John, I came across your business and noticed your website could be improved to convert more visitors. I help businesses like yours increase conversions with simple design changes. Would you be open to a quick call this week? So I would recommend that you do that. You can quickly add in that right here. Another thing that stands out when it comes onto Lemlist is you can add personalization. By personalization, you can tap right here. So for example, you could select first name. So that means that even though you will have a large contact list, it is going to personalize each email as it will be adding in their first name. So you can simply select it right here when you're typing it out. What I would recommend you do is simply quickly open a new tab, and you could go onto ChatGPT, and depending on your target audience, you can quickly ask it to compose an email for you. Then you can simply go over it and ensure that it is human-like and it is actually saying what you would like it to say and actually doing a good job. So, and then you can add in your own variables right here. You can choose to add in first name, last name, company name, job title, or so on, so that each email is personalized. So you can see different variables as you can see right there. You could also select the media option, and it is going to add in custom images as you can see there. You can also use this feature which would create custom landing pages. So you have numerous options when it comes onto Lemlist. Keep in mind a few of the options. To get the best out of them, you'll need to go onto the paid plan. But if you're serious about outreach, Lemlist is definitely a platform that is worth invested in. Another feature that I also like about Lemlist is, even if you were to use, for example, a Gmail account, once you have added Lemlist, if I were to tap on compose right here, you can see the different templates. You'll see this menu option pop up. And by going down to the bottom, you'll see right here that I'll be able to view when someone opens it, and I'll also be able to view when someone, or better yet, get a notification when someone opens the email or when someone clicks on the link. So with this, I'll be able to better zone down, and I'll know if the outreach is working. I'll know when someone is avoiding the email or so on. So you'll be able to get a notification as you can see right here. So this is a major standout feature, which is why I recommend anybody that is serious about cold email or email marketing that they give Lemlist a try, because there's numerous features that you can explore. Once you have sent the first email, you can tap on the plus once more, and you could add in a second email. You could tap right there, and you'll see a delay of 1 day. If you'd like to extend that delay, you'll tap on the pencil icon right there, and you can increase the delay as you can see right there. So if you would like to increase it to 2 days, for example, you can do that. Then you're just going to compose your second email right here. Again, you can compose your second email, and depending on the outcome that you want, you can tap on the plus. And for example, let's say we'll tap on conditions. After selecting conditions, you can see different conditions that you can add in. For example, opened email, clicked on a link in the email, or booked a meeting. Because with Lemlist, you also get the Lemcall feature, and that is basically a platform that you'll be able to book meetings on, or host meetings better yet. So you can use the Lemcall feature. Keep in mind that that is a paid option. So you'll be able to set up your follow-ups. You'll also be able to set up your outcomes once you're finished and everything is to your liking. So let's say I were to add in a quick title right here. I'm just going to be adding something random. And let me add something random right here, just for example's sake. After you have done that, you'll tap on lead list. And from here, you'll be able to import your lead list. So you can tap on import new leads. After you have selected import new leads, you have a few options. You can use the people database option, which I had shown you earlier. You could choose to upload a CSV file if you have a CSV file, or you can choose LinkedIn import if you got your leads from LinkedIn. You have different options that you can choose from when it comes onto Lemlist. Once you have added that, the next thing you'll need to do is tap on launch, and you'll be able to start your email campaign just like that. And with Lemlist, you can also do follow-ups just like what I showed you. You can add in a chain of emails, as most beginners don't know this, but most clients won't reply to your first email, which is why I recommend that you have 2 or 3 follow-up emails. They tend to reply to the follow-up emails. After you have done that, that's basically it, and I would recommend that you set realistic expectations. So here is the thing. A lot of persons send, for example, 100 emails and they tend to get 5 to 15 replies with 5 to 10 conversions or 1 to 3 clients. That is realistic. One client can pay for everything and more. If you want to start reaching out to clients today, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description where you can try Lemlist. And as you can see right here, it is quite affordable. Once you are finished with the free option, you can get started for as low as $79 per month. And with that, you'll be getting access to over 600 million lead database and also unlimited email follow-ups and so many more features. If it is a case that you like to do multi-channel outreach, which would mean that you'll want to do email marketing, LinkedIn automation, WhatsApp automation, and all of the different features that Lemlist offer, you can do their multi-channel expert option. I'll also be doing tutorials on that. So thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful and informative.